Finally, Windows 11 phone link allow you to connect your iPhone with your Windows 11 PC or laptops. As you can see, I'm getting this option which is iPhone. So currently it is available on Windows 11 Insider Preview Tape channel. So let me show you. I'll go to my settings and Windows Update. Then if I'll go to this option which is Windows Insider Preview or program, here I have already joined tape channel, canary channel, as you can see. So if you have to access this feature on your Windows 11, then you just need to join Insider Preview or you have to wait. So now what you have to do, so I will show you how to get this option. So you just need to go to your Microsoft Store, and here you just need to go to a phone link, and you just need to install phone link app. If you have already installed phone link app, then go to library, and here you just need to click on get update and update your phone link from here. Here you will get the update. Okay, so after update, you just need to open phone link and you will get this Android and iPhone option. So currently I don't have a Bluetooth on my PC, so as you can see, it's showing like to connect your iPhone, you must your PC must have Bluetooth. So I hope this quick tutorial will really help for you, and please don't forget to click on the subscribe button, like button and share button. And if you have any question, then comments down below. I will see you guys in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.